barbecued chicken pan pizza. A couple of fat cloves of garlic. A small onion is all you need. Pan's hot, oil in, salt, pepper, smoked sweet paprika, dry mustard, a little sprinkle of sugar. Give this a spin. Chicken stock in a box. A little Worcestershire, cider vinegar, and our ketchup. A little drizzle of molasses. And now we just let that get good. Rotisserie chicken, discard the skin, and pull the chicken. Okay, so I threw the chicken into our homemade barbecue sauce. I took store-bought pizza dough. I'm just kind of dusting it with flour on both sides. See, you had to buy the wine so that you could roll out the dough. A little bit of cornmeal. Then we're gonna take our dough, drop it into the hot pan. Now you can spray or brush it with some olive oil, salt, pepper, and a little red pepper flake. Then we're gonna top it with our homemade barbecued chicken. Oh, it's gonna be a deep dish beaut. Mozzarella and cheddar. Oh my God, that's heavy. 550, 12 minutes. But you can make hot honey. So I'm gonna put honey and made in Louisiana hot sauce. Okay. Look how glorious he is already. Now we're gonna take our hot honey, drizzle it all over the top, and then our green onions, our cilantro, and jalapeno peppers. If you don't make this, you're nuts.